डॉक्टर अमर पटनायक जी.
Sir. Sir, I rise to make this special mention about inclusion of ahimsa in the preamble to the Constitution. So today is a very good day to make this submission. I feel proud about it. The nation recently celebrated the 150th anniversary of the birth of Mahatma Gandhi, widely
only
regarded
subject-
as the father of the nation.
You may lay, please.
The principles which he stood for, such as tolerance, self-sufficiency, and most importantly, ahimsa, greatly influenced the independence struggle and distinguished it from all freedom struggles the world over. Generically, the term
Please
means
lay.
a refusal to do harm. However, it was utilized in the political space by Gandhi to denote the largest love, the greatest charity. It implies love, compassion, forgiveness, and the complete absence of ill will. However, the philosophy of ahimsa does not find mention in the Constitution of Independent India. The Honorable Chief Minister of Orissa, Sri Naveen Patnaik, he recently referred to ahimsa as a uniquely Indian ideal and advocated for its inclusion in the preamble of the Indian Constitution. Okay, I demand that the Union government consider
lay.
the inclusion of ahimsa in the preamble to give effects to its principles.
Okay, thank
Thank
you.
you.